welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this look. It is a Mardi Gras mask look. I felt like it would be super fun. And if you're new, welcome to Pembroke Beauty. My name is Victoria and let's get into it. So I just want to give you guys a heads up that this tutorial is going to be a little bit different than my other ones because for some ungodly reason I lost some of my film, so that's a good time. So I'll walk you through it. So the first thing I do have filmed is me making the shape of a mask using this NYX jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk. Yay! And I kind of like that shape, but then I was like, I don't know, do I like that shape? I kind of don't like the weird like heart thing on my forehead. So then I kind of rounded that out a little bit. Obviously you can make whatever mask shape that you wanted, but this is kind of the more traditional shape that I wanted to go for. And so I wanted to make sure that I had something that was easily wipe-awayable, and I wanted to really highlight the inner corners of my eyes since I felt like it would get a little bit dark in there. So I put a little bit more of that jumbo eye pencil in there and started blending that out with my finger, and then I lost everything, and you'll see how upset I was when I found out. So everything that I did was using this same exact Morphe Beautiful and Bronze brush, and I'm using this Morphe palette, which is the 35B, and I took that yellow shade in the corner and put that all over my inner corner and all over my nose. Then I took those two light greens and blended that into the yellow using the same exact brush. And then I took the like 3 dark greens that I showed you and blended them onto the more outer part of my eye. And then took that purple shade and started blending it in on the very corners of the mask shape. Then I took that Eco Tools brush and blended it a little bit more. Then I took this Eco Tools brush and used the shade Glory, the shade Mullet, and the shade Metalhead from the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. Then I took that Fantasy Maker Gold Glitter and put that all over top of the yellow part of my face. Then I took the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and I took the green emerald shade and put that all over using my finger, all over the green part, and then I took the violet shade and put that all over the purple part of my mask. Then I took the NYX matte liquid liner and made a very aggressive wing, pulling it all the way down into my inner corners. And then I waterlined with the NYX jumbo eye pencil in Black Bean. So now that you're caught up, I then went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Ivory, I believe, and I put that all over my face because I really wanted to make the mask stand out, so I wanted to make my face all the same exact color. And then I blended that out with my finger, and now I'm setting all of that concealer down with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus pressed powder in Warm Light with this Morphe Beautiful and Bronze brush. Then I'm going to bronze up with this e.l.f. brush and the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm putting that in the hollows of my cheeks, on the temples of my forehead, and around the bottom of my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my lower lip. So really the biggest thing when it comes to this look, you guys, was a lot of blending. I didn't actually, like I showed you, I only used 2 brushes for this entire eye look. It was not a very intense one. It just took a decent amount of blending and really molding the colors into the next color. So just kind of use your judgment if you do recreate this look. So I'm going back in with the Gold Fantasy Maker glitter, and I'm doing exactly what I did when I put it on my mask, which was just dip it a little bit onto my finger. And I'm kind of just highlighting my collarbone, my shoulders, my nose, and my cupid's bow because I felt like it's Mardi Gras, and the point of Mardi Gras is to be crazy and to have glitter all over you. So why wouldn't you do that? Then I'm taking this NYX crystal liner in Crystal Pink, and I'm putting that right below my eyeliner wing on both sides because I felt like, why not? And it's slightly purplish, so it fit in with the theme. And obviously I did a Mardi Gras theme, so I used the colors gold, green, and purple because that's like notoriously Mardi Gras. So I wanted to take you guys through a little bit more about how I actually apply my lashes. These are the Kiss number 11s, and I'm using the same exact glue that I always use, which is the Kiss Ever Easy Aloe Glue. So I like to place these onto my eye, and I put them directly, like pinching the middle of the lash, I put them directly onto the middle of my lid. And then I will hold that there for a little bit, and then I will, once that's fully stuck, I take each corner, starting usually with the inner corner, and make sure that that's placed where I want it so it's not too far out and it looks natural. And I place that down, and then I move out to the outer edge and I push that part down onto my lid. And then I just kind of go back around and sort of blend my lashes in and make sure that there's no weird holes or anything that's not supposed to be stuck to where it's stuck. So as you can see, I do it on this eye. I push it down in the middle, then go to the inner corner and then to the outer corner. And then I just kind of keep going around the entire lash to make sure that it's well stuck on. Then I'm going to coat my upper and lower lashes with the NYX Doll Eye Mascara for volume. And then I'm going in with this NYX Cosmic Metals lip cream in the shade Ultraviolet. And you guys, it's so pretty! Oh, and these are really comfortable. They are lip glosses, but they're like not sticky at all. It's kind of just like you're wearing a lip balm almost. And they're really metallic, and I have a whole bunch of shades. And I really like them. I think they're super cool. So then I felt like this wasn't enough, so then I took a little bit more of that gold glitter and kind of stamped it on with my finger. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I did lose a lot of film, and I'm sorry for that. But I hope that you got the gist of it, and I think that it's pretty straightforward. It's just mostly blending and placing color where you want. So please, if you recreate this look, tag me in it. Check me out on Instagram. I'll show you my handle right here on the screen. And please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell so that you get notifications every single time I upload. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!